Böhler Welding started making stainless steel stick electrodes in 1926. With constant improvement, we continue to develop products to meet the highest expectations of our customers. For the chemical industry, both basic and rutile electrodes are available. With Böhler Fox EAS 4M, the welder has full control in all welding positions. Böhler Fox EAS 4MA is one of Böhler Welding's best sellers. The rutile coating has been developed for best possible weldability and surface appearance. As a pioneer in filler metals for joining stainless steels, Böhler Welding offers a unique, global, and customer-focused portfolio for lasting connections.